Hi guys, Christmas Day, sitting at my desk. I just thought I'd have a go at this. Cost me £2 in a charity shop. Okay. Follow the guide above in numerical order to assemble the piece puzzle easily, or mix them up if you want a challenge. Okay. So where's number 1? That's piece number 4. So 1 and 2 must go together, surely. Yes, they do. Right, we're making progress. 1 and 2. 3. 1, 2, 3. Right. 4. They do go together. They got a feeling they're going to fall apart again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, they're all going to fall apart. Five. I can see the logic. Like I said, they're making a nice click, but then they're falling apart again. 5. 6. Looks like that goes there. Yep. Where's number 7? 7. Is that 7? Yeah, that is 7. I can't see how 7 goes in there. What am I missing? That's it. That's 7. There's 8. 8 in that piece. Well, they have got numbers on them. I just couldn't see them. Well, that was rather nice.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.